we, girl?
At my doctor's appointment.
We get to find out how much longer she has to have the cast on today. Hopefully you might even get it off today. Hey Joy, what did they just do?
Take my cast off.
So her cast is off and you can see kind of how gross her skin is. And now she is gonna get an x-ray to see if it's still broken. What do you think your leg smells like?
Rotten eggs.
It's gross, isn't it? I think it smells like fermented skin. And you're just wanting to be done, aren't you? Hey Wilder, look. Who's that? Hey Joy, what did they say?
I get a boat.
You get a boot, so we're getting ready to go pick it up because they were out of them here. She just has a little sock on her foot. And are you allowed to walk?
Yeah.
Can you hop and jump?
No.
No. But does it feel good to have that off? I think I am probably just as happy, if not happier than she is, because whew, it's been a lot having a kid in a wheelchair and an infant. It's been fine, but it's just been a lot of work. She can walk. It's so glorious. Are you excited? We don't need this stinking wheelchair anymore.
Where are you gonna put it?
In the trunk. It's official. Wilder was born. Just kidding. It's taken me 6 months to get the paperwork done to get his birth certificate and his social security card, but it's done, so that's good. He's official.
We're here at Target. Bree is making maybe what is a monthly trip to Target, and I am gonna climb a mountain. And now a tree. And now I'm in the top of the tree on this funny little hill. Such a cool tree, it's like so symmetrical. I see this as triumph, this little tree growing here on the hill. I actually love these spaces in between the shopping centers and the movie theaters. There's this movie theater over here behind me. And here this tree is just growing away. It's been here for longer than any of these stores. And it used to be on a ridge surrounded by these brushy little wooded areas. I love Target. Can you tell?
That's the girl. Oh my goodness.
But be careful.
Oh, look at you.
That's so exciting.
She can walk now, Brighton.
But you can't run, right?
That's
She
so
can't
wonderful.
wrestle. She can walk, Justin
Can you
and Gracie.
take a bath? Can you
I can take this up.
take it off and take a bath? Yay!
Nice.
What kind of the big kind of boys? Yeah, there's a toy.
You have a book.
Everyone load up.
Tell me when always ready.
Thanks for joining us for today's adventure, and we are so tickled that Joy can now walk around our place.
Just walk anywhere she wants with the boot on, but still.
Good night.